Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you what to do if your audio is not playing out of the correct speakers in Windows 10. So what we're going to need to do is we're going to need to change our default playback device. Now in order to do that, you can either come down to your sound icon and you can right click on it and then click sounds, or alternatively you can click in the search bar and you can type control panel, and then you can open control panel up, and then in the search bar you can then search for sounds. Then you can open sound up, and then with the sound window open, you then want to click on the playback tab along the top, and you then want to find your speakers that you want to be the playback device. So you just need to find what you think is your playback device, and then if you right click on it and then click test, it will then play a test sound, and you should be able to see if it's coming out of those speakers. So for example, these are my speakers, so if I click test on them, I can then hear the test sound being played. Now in order to change your default playback device, all you need to do is right click on the device that you want to make the default one. So I will just make this device here the default one, so if I just right click on it, and then I click set as default device, it will then use that as the default device for audio playback. Now I'll just come back to my speakers and I will reset them as the default device, as they are the speakers that I am using. So if I click set as default device, and now whenever I play a test sound, it now comes through those speakers. So guys, that's as simple as it gets. If you like the video, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.